Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a great beginner core workout. It's a 10-minute long workout, 30-second work intervals, and 30-second rest intervals, meaning you're going to be working for 5 minutes and then resting for 5 minutes. It is also a no repeat workout, so there are 10 different exercises that we're going to go through. Make sure you follow along. Follow my pace, guys. Follow the cues. I'll be explaining the exercises as we progress through the workout. Have fun, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. Hi guys, welcome back. We're starting off with the basic crunch. We're going to start in about 20 seconds. So during the crunch, your hands behind your head, I should say, and then do not pull on your neck. So let's lay down on the ground. Hands behind your head, back pressed all the way to the ground, and we're just going to crunch. Ready? 3, 2. Yes, so unfortunately the microphone gave out during this workout. So what we're going to do here is during the exercises I'll play some music. It'll be music throughout, but it'll be louder during the exercises, and I'll do a little bit of a voiceover for you guys during the breaks, so I can explain the exercises to you and we can just keep on moving. Right now we're doing the crunch. There's 10 seconds left. I'm just going to keep on moving. This is going to be a little odd for everybody, including me right now, but we got 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and 1 second. All right, moving down to exercise number 2 is going to be the reverse crunch. So once again, the preview will be up on the screen very shortly. Just going to be laying flat down on the ground. Remember to squeeze that lower back into the ground as much as you can. This is key here. See me putting my hands underneath my lower back? You don't want any room there. You just want to squeeze, keep it squeezed into the ground at all times. So we'll get started in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, lay down on the ground, and let's go. All right, you got 10 seconds left. Continue doing these reverse crunches here. Nice and slow and controlled. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and stop. And here we go. The next exercise, I believe, is a plank. We're going to do this plank on our elbows with our arms bent. Tighten everything up on these planks as much as you can. Keep it nice and steady. Do not let your butt go down or up, just as you see on the preview right now. Keep everything nice and tight. The hamstrings are tight, your glutes are tight, shoulders are tight, back is tight, and your core is obviously tight. Go to hold it for 30 seconds, and 3, 2, 1, and let's go. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Take a nice deep breath. That was a long 30-second hold, I'm sure. Now we're moving on to the scissor kicks. So on this, once again, I can't stress this enough. Keep your lower back on the ground. Pressed against the ground all the time, and it will keep your core nice and active. Also, the other thing is follow my pacing here. You can put your legs down all the way to the ground. You don't have to keep them elevated. Just follow my pacing. This is not a flutter kick, it's a scissor kick. So let's get it in 3, 2, 1, go and get it. All right, here we go. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and we're done. Done with the scissor kicks, moving onto the Russian twist. Nice comfortable position. If you want to make it more difficult, you lift those legs up in the air for the Russian twist. If you want to make it a little bit easier, just leave the legs up on the ground, get into about a 45-degree angle, and twist those hands back and forth. We got another 10 seconds before we get going with this one. Like I say, if you want to challenge yourself, put those legs up in the air. But however, we get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go with the Russian twist. I control right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and relax. From here, mountain climber. So get back in a plank position, a push-up plank position, however. So on your wrists, on your hands, not on your elbows. Keep the plank nice and tight. Mountain climbers, we're not running back and forth. We're just bringing one foot up, putting it back, bringing the other foot up, and putting it back. Always stay in control. Concentrate on lifting the leg up with your core. Tighten up your core as the leg goes up. You guys are ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, so we got here 3, 2, 1, and relax. Next exercise is the leg raise. Very similar to the scissor kick, but we're lifting both legs up at once. Once again, stressing this again, control the lower back. Do what I'm doing right here. Put your hands in a diamond position and kind of put them under your lower back. Protect your lower back. And nice and slow on the way up and on the way down. Nice and control. If you want to put your feet all the way down on the ground, that's fine, but make sure you control the movement. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. All right, and we are done with those, and we're moving on to the sit-up. Very basic exercise I've been doing for a long time, right? So you can put your hands behind your neck or behind your head, but do not yank on your neck. However, you just want to leave them there for extra resistance. That's the extra weight. Otherwise, you can do what I'm doing, just leave your hands in front, but I want you to control the movement all the way up and all the way down. You guys are ready to go? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sit up and go. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, we got 2 exercises left, guys, and we're almost done. Next one is the bicycle, another old school movement. I don't want you to do it quick, however. I want you to do it nice and slow and deliberate. Nice, slow movements. Bring that elbow up to that knee, to the opposite knee. Nice and easy. 1 and 2. Watch the preview. See how I'm doing it? Do it at the same pace. Keep constant pressure on that core and that lower back against the ground. So we'll get going in 5 seconds or so, and I'll see you guys in another 30 seconds. Here you go. 2, 1, and go. All right, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Here's the last and final move, guys. It's hand to toe. Similar to the bicycle, a little more extension, however. You're gonna take your right hand and bring it to your left toe and vice versa. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Nice and slow. Protect the lower back as we've been doing throughout these exercises, all right? We're gonna get started in about 10 seconds, and I believe after this exercise, magically the microphone kicked back on, so you hear me once again for the outro. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. Finish it up, and it's 2, 1, and let's go. Well, that was our 10-minute core workout, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. I had a good time. I hope you guys learned something along the way. Don't forget to come back for more workouts. They do come out every Monday and every single Thursday for over 5 years right now. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Paul, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.